Good morning, students. So today, children, let's do the second part of the lesson Plant I See, which we did yesterday. So today we are doing the second part of it. Yesterday we have learned that plants are our green friends and plants are of 5 kinds: trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Now today we will do the things that we get from the plants. Okay, first food items, second clothes, then perfumes, then rubber and medicine and oil. Okay, now let's going to see the example of each things that we get from the plants. So all of you take out page number 51. That we get from plants are food items. What comes in the food items? Fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses. Okay, let's see some example of fruits. Banana, mango, papaya, watermelon. Then vegetable, different kinds of vegetables like pumpkin, ladyfinger, tomato. Then come to cereals, example of cereals: maize, wheat, rice. Then pulses, example of pulses: arhar, then masoor is there, moong is there. All the pulses, all dals are called pulses. So these are the food items that we get from the plants. Now come to clothes. This is cotton and we make our clothes with this. So we make clothes with the help of cotton plant. Now page 52. We get perfumes from plants. Now let's see which are the flowers from which we get perfume. Rose is there, jasmine is there, and then sandalwood. Then we also get rubber from rubber plant. We make many things from rubber, such as eraser and tire and football also. So you can see the picture, that trunk part of a plant from which we get rubber, and with that we can make tire, eraser and ball. Then we also get medicine from plants. Now which are the plants from which we get medicine? Tulsi is there, mint is there, and then neem. Now come to page 53. And the last is oil. Plant also give us oil. Okay, and the plant from which we can get the oil are coconut, mustard and groundnut. So now children, this is all what we have studied today. The things that we get from plants. You get different and so many things from plants. That is why we call plants our green friends. Now children, come to the most important part, that is your homework. Come to the worksheet. Let's quickly discuss question and answers that you have to do it in your EVS copy. A. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Dash plant give us cotton. Which plant? Cotton plant. COTTON. Number 2. Melon is a dash. Melon is a creeper. CREEPER. Then come to exercise B. True or false? 1. We get perfumes from animals. This is a false statement, so you will write FALSE, false. Then second, we get rubber from rubber plant. This is true. So you will write TRUE, true. Now come to C. Take the correct answer. 1. Shrubs look like A. Bushes, B. Vegetable. Your answer is bushes, so you will going to take option A. Now second, pea plant is an example of herb or climber? So pea plant is an example of a climber. You will going to take B, option B. D exercise, draw and color one of your favorite fruit, one fruit and one vegetable. Okay children, so today I have completed lesson number 10, and now tomorrow we will going to do the exercises of the same lesson. Tomorrow again we will going to meet. Till then, goodbye, take care.